Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. So today we're going to be doing a review on Karate Mart's 5-star Ninja Star 4-pack. That's a mouthful. So Indiana just legalized throwing stars because axe throwing became so popular, so they legalized it in July. So I didn't waste any time on getting my hands on some. These are probably the second time I've thrown these. They have been opened already, but I did kind of repackage it for you guys so you guys can see. So on Karate Mart, these run about, with shipping, like $42. It's not bad for 4. They are the 5-star. From doing all my research, the 5-star are better at sticking. So I can't remember the weight. I think they're 2 ounce. Don't quote me on that. They throw pretty good. So, you know, let me go over the package here. So it comes in this kind of cheapy synthetic pack, and it opens and it just kind of like unfolds, and you got these 4 little pockets here that hold your stars. I don't think it's going to be long before the stars poke through this. They're not that sharp, you know. I mean, it's like a factory edge, but you know, they throw good, they hold good, and I guess you wouldn't want it sharp on the edges because that's where you're holding it anyway. The tips are pretty sharp, so I guess that's all that counts. So we're gonna get these out here and we're gonna throw them, so stay tuned, see how they do. So let's go ahead and do a couple test throws. We got 4 of them. We're gonna throw all 4 here. We're probably about 10-12 feet away from the target. Just an old bench there. Perfect backdrop. So let's see how she does. I didn't mean to look like a ninja, it just happened that way. So like I said, guys, it's not that far away. About 12 feet. Looks a little bit further away on the camera here. So it looks like we hit the center of our target. Not bad, not bad. Got a little bit of a stray one up there. So let's do an up close throw. I want to show you guys just how deep these things have dug into this wood. Now this wood is pressure treated wood. I've had this bench probably outside for 4 or 5 years. It's holding up okay. But just look how deep these stars in. You got 1, 2. Oh. I mean, them little suckers are in there. So that's why I chose the 5 stars, guys, because they throw so well. The 6 stars, nah, they're just not that great. So stay tuned, we're gonna do some more throwing. One thing about throwing stars, guys, until you're a full-fledged ninja, sometimes they will cut you. It's okay though, we're working on it. Alright, let's get to throwing. Alright guys, so overall, what do I think about these 5-point Ninja Stars, throwing stars from Karate Mart? For the value, $42 with shipping, that's not too bad. I believe they ship out of Arizona. I'm in Indiana, so it took about a week to get here, so their shipping's pretty quick. They definitely perform well. The tips are not flattened from throwing them. So, you know, overall, I think it's a good buy. The case is kind of crappy, but you can make a new case out of like Kydex or something like that, which I think I might do. Other than that, it's just fun as hell to throw. So if you guys are looking for some good throwing stars, check out Karate Mart. I'm not sponsored by them or nothing like that, but I did shop around for pricing. They do have competitive pricing, and this is a pretty superior product. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.